My editor threatened me that if I don't make a video today, he's going to physically assault me.
You have 24 hours to bring a new video, or I will physically do something, and you won't like it.
Today we're talking about Chrome extensions. Chrome extensions can be fantastic about your productivity, and today I will be sharing a few of the ones that I use, or the ones that I'm considering using because I kinda like them. Number one is 1Password. I will not be opening this because opening this would be revealing all of my private information and hidden agendas and passwords. It has 3 stars here for some reason, maybe something bugged people review on it, but it is absolutely fantastic. 1Password gets you to remember all of your passwords. It's safe, it's easy, I love it.
I love you like a son.
And I'm not saying that because of any sponsorship, I'm saying this because I used to use LastPass and that was horrible. It's horrifying. By the way, one tip here, the extension is kind of bad, so don't use it without the desktop app. With the desktop app, I haven't had any issues, so easy. Next, one of the best extensions out there is called Save to Notion. So it is an advanced Notion saver. It allows you to create those custom templates for saving stuff to Notion. You can save them anywhere, add any stuff from the page, including the whole web page, to whatever part of Notion you want. Extremely handy, extremely useful. So you basically create a form, you select which page, which database you want that form to be saved in, and then you configure the different fields that you want to be saved. In this case, you can see I'm currently saving to my content creation project. I can add different topics, which are my global tags. I have a video on that, you should watch that. So basically by configuring this, you can do a lot of cool stuff and really speed up your Notion organization, and who doesn't want that? Also, I've heard this block is amazing. Maybe because it's mine. The next one is Scribe, and I'm currently not signed in on that because I use it on my other computer typically. But what Scribe does, it allows you to create documentation of processes. And that's the most boring description in the universe, I know, but it's actually amazing. What it does is it helps you create step-by-step processes with screenshots of exactly how to do specific things on the internet. Very, very cool, very, very fast, and very, very easy. And easy is good. And again, I told you I don't have the time, and I'm under pressure, so you should like immediately, and that's why we can't go into Scribe. Yes. Next one, Grammarly. Grammarly is not supported on the web store, but it's supported here. Yes. Okay, Grammarly is the best thing ever.
I'm the best.
This has been indispensable for me to create better content and make it readable by human people.
The design is very human.
Yes, human people are the best kind of people. Next, we need an ad blocker. Everyone should use an ad blocker. You can see that on my domain I have... Why am I blocking stuff? I just migrated so I don't need to...
15 minutes later.
Anyway, an ad blocker can be amazing because it can save you from a lot of headaches on the internet and a lot of spam and a lot of stuff that you don't really want to see. Next we have the Cold Turkey blocker. If you're using Cold Turkey, which is an ad blocker that stops you from using certain apps at certain times of day, it basically helps me control myself a little bit better because I like just going to Twitter every 5 seconds in the day, and that's not really productive. But basically this works in conjunction with the app, and by using them together you can basically block any sort of website that you want. We have Momentum. Momentum is freaking cool. Look at it. Look at it. This thing is Momentum.
You're beautiful.
They have like the best, coolest productivity features ever, which I never used, and the guys were super nice and even gave me like a free license to use the software last year, and they were like, yeah, okay, I have the pro license, it's on us, like you mentioned us on Twitter a few times, you can have it, you're a cool person. And I said, yes, this is perfect, I will finally test the productivity features, and I didn't. I cannot. But let me tell you one thing. One part from the Pro version is actually freaking amazing, and I used it a lot, and that is it has soundscapes. You can play different sounds, and you can enjoy that while working. This is pretty cool, unless you happen to have like 13 new tabs, then it can become a little bit interesting finding which tab has the music on. But yeah, besides not organizing yourself properly, this is actually insane. Then you have OneSec. OneSec is amazing. I already reviewed the app, but they have an extension. I also heard they have a desktop app, but I also do a separate video on that. The OneSec extension is very simple. It does exactly the same thing as the app. You enter a website and then you have to take a breath before you can see that. That's it. It's amazing. If you make the reward from the habit a little bit less rewarding by, just delaying it a little bit, the chances for you binging in social media just decrease massively. But yeah, those are my extensions. They're pretty cool. You can make Chrome so much cooler with extensions. Just add them, play with them. It's very, very easy to install them and to test different things and to basically make your life a little bit easier. So hopefully that inspires you a little bit. Or not, I don't know. Anyway, I think I managed to save my life.
I'll get you next time, Jordan. Next time.
And thank you for supporting me during these hard times. This was amazing from you. Like, you're the best person in the universe for doing that. And you should head to that video and learn more about success, because success is elusive, but it is not going to be as elusive if you watch that specific video.